Do you sometimes look at the sky? Do you sometimes watch the stars? What are the planets called in German? Hello everyone and welcome to our video series on Learn German for Beginners. In this video, you will be learning some words that are related to space or the universe. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for learning German for free and in the easiest way. We offer structured courses for A1, A2, B1 and B2 and a variety of topics from grammar and vocabulary to common mistakes one can make in German. You can visit our page on patreon.com to get free worksheets, podcasts, transcripts, early access to our videos and more. Das Universum. You can repeat the words after me. Das Universum. And here are some synonyms for this word. Das Weltall. Das Weltall. Der Kosmos. Der Kosmos. Der Raum. Der Raum. Das All. Das All. Der Weltraum. Der Weltraum. Here's the next one. Der Urknall. Der Urknall. Here's the next one. Die Galaxie. Die Galaxie. Das schwarze Loch. Das schwarze Loch. Der Himmelskörper. Der Himmelskörper. Zum Beispiel Sonne und die Planeten. For example, the Sun and the planets. Eine Galaxie hat viele Sterne und Himmelskörper. A galaxy has many stars and celestial bodies. Der Stern. Der Stern. Unsere Sonne ist ein Stern. Our sun is a star. Ein Stern strahlt. Das Verb ist strahlen. Das Sternbild. Das Sternbild. Die Rakete. Die Rakete. Der Satellit. Der Satellit. Der Planet. Der Planet. Das Sonnensystem. Das Sonnensystem. In einem Sonnensystem steht die Sonne in der Mitte. Planeten und andere Himmelskörper kreisen um die Sonne. Unser Sonnensystem hat 8 Planeten. The Sun is placed in the center of a solar system. The planets and other celestial bodies orbit around the Sun. Our solar system has 8 planets. Die Sonne. Die Sonne. Der Merkur. Der Merkur. Dies ist der kleinste Planet. This is the smallest planet. Die Venus. Die Venus. Die Erde. Die Erde. Der einzige Planet mit Leben. The only planet with life. Der Mond. Der Mond. Der Mars. Der Mars. Es heißt auch der rote Planet. It is also known as the red planet. Der Jupiter. Der Jupiter. Dies ist der größte Planet und besteht aus Gas. This is the biggest planet and is made up of gas. Auch die nächsten 3 Planeten bestehen aus Gas. Even the next 3 planets are made up of gas. Der Saturn. Der Saturn. Weil der Saturn ganz viele Ringe hat, heißt er auch Ringplanet. Because Saturn has many rings, it is also known as the ring planet. Der Uranus. Der Uranus. Uranus hat eine blau-grüne Farbe. Uranus has a blue-green color. Der Neptun. Der Neptun. Es ist blauer als Uranus. It is bluer than Uranus. Der Asteroid. Der Asteroid. Der Komet. Der Komet. Das UFO. Das UFO. Hope you enjoyed this lesson. To practice what you have learned, become a patron free of cost and download a free worksheet from our page on patreon.com. All links can be found below in the description. You can also gain access to our transcripts by becoming a $1 patron and to our podcasts by becoming a $5 patron. Danke! Thanks for watching this video. If you liked this video, do give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you still haven't. You can click on the bell to receive notifications whenever we upload a new video. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them in the comments section below. Tschüss, auf Wiedersehen!